In order to make Google Forms, first of all, we will go to Google and we will write Google Forms. When we will click, we will get these sites. We will click on the first site and we will click on Go to Forms. Like you can see that I have created many Google Forms. You can see. So now today we will learn how to create a new one. So we will click on the plus sign. We can use the predefined templates, but here I would like to start you from plus. So here you can see question, responses, and settings. Here you can see customize theme, preview, undo, redo, how to send the form, and these are the other settings. First of all, we will give name to our form. Suppose Motilal Nehru Public School, Jamshedpur. Here, description, you can write the name of the topic like cyber safety. Date, suppose 15/4/21. Here, I have to give the name of the form, Computer Unit Test 1. So that you can easily, you have seen that I have created so many forms, so it is difficult to find out the latest or the required form. So we should name our forms. Here you can see untitled question. So first of all, we will click on plus sign to create a question. Here we will write, first of all, write your name, so that the student who is going to fill this will write the name. We will click on short answers. Now the next question is write your roll number. That is also a short question. Now the next question is choose your class or select your class and section. So now on this drop down menu, I will click on multiple choice. So, or the drop down. Drop down will help me a lot, like 6A, then 6B, then 6C, then 6D, 6E. Can you see drop down menu is used, drop down option. Right now it is not visible, but when we will go to preview, now see here you can see select your class and section. So you can select your class and section. So this way drop down menu works. Now multiple choice question. Here you can, like, first of all, we will start with the short answer. What is cyber safety? What is cyber safety? So this is the question. Short answer the child has to write. Now the plus sign. Again a new question. Define online harassment and how to control this. So this is a long question, so we will choose paragraph option. Now the next question is, we will take multiple choice. Here, you should share personal information online. So here the child can agree, disagree, and not aware. So the child has to choose any option. Now the next question, you can just go to preview and you can see here the child can choose only one option, not more than one. Now, if we want more than one option to be chosen, then I will use check boxes. You should not share online his personal information bank details, passwords, your collection of watches. So you can see drop down menu. If we will go to preview, you can see that here the child can choose more than one option. But in this case, we can choose only one option. Now see, the another type of question is file upload. Here, suppose the question is upload your photograph in school uniform. Now, here I will make one change. Upload your current. Sometimes children, they upload the old photograph. Now 1 MB to 10 MB. Maximum size, I want 1 MB only. Okay. So any type image. Is this clear? Now the next question I want, not here, so I will delete. I will go to last, then I will click. New question. Here I will choose multiple choice grid. Here you can see India, Jharkhand, Bihar, and Punjab. I have written 4 states. Here I will write match the following with their states. Match the following states with their capitals. So here I will write Chandigarh, Ranchi, Bihar, Ranchi, India. Can you see? Now the next question I can type here is linear. Have you liked the presentation? Yes. Excellent. Very good. Last is not satisfactory. Okay. Now the next question. You can tick box grade, multiple choice grade, date and time. So you can use these options. Now go to preview. You can see different type of questions. Here you can choose only one option. Okay, now this question, can you see? 6, 7, anyone, anything. So I can delete this question. Now how to give marks? So I will go to, first of all, I want to beautify this form. So here I will go and beautify the form. Header, I want in Arial. So you can see the handwriting style has changed. Now I can have questions in this form. Now I can choose the background color and the background also. I can insert my own images and I can use these images also. Like birthday, food and clothing, party, just kids. So suppose I insert this picture. So you can see I have inserted a picture at the top. Now you can see the responses here. Now the settings. make it a quiz immediately after the submission or later after the manual review. So sometimes we have to review the questions manually, and sometimes we can give them the response then and there. So missed question, correct answers, point value, the child must see everything. Default question, point value, we will decide. Responses, collect email address, of course, so that you can come to know who has uploaded the assignment or the given the test. Send response, a copy of their response if you want off when interested or requested, always. Allow response editing, yes or no. We should not allow responses if we are taking tests, and we should allow to make changes if we are collecting some information. Limit to one response. If we are giving test, we can limit to one response. If we are taking feedback or anything else, we can switch it on according to our requirement. Total size limit for upload photos, 1 GB. So we can have 1 GB, 10 GB, 100 GB, 1 TB. Presentation. Show progress bar, of course, we should switch it on because only the child can come to know that how many questions he has attempted. Shuffle question order, it's good to shuffle the question order. Confirmation message, you can give a different message. Here your response has been recorded, is already given, so you can use that and you can change. View summary results, you can switch it on, you can switch it off according to your requirement. From default, collect email address. Make question required by default. Required by all default, I will show you how. So you can see this question is required. If I switch it off, they can give the answer, they can skip the answer. So here I have given the option that they have to give answer to all the questions. Now I have to give answer key to all. Here answer key 0 points. Here I will keep 0 points because this is not a question. I'm just collecting the information. So I will keep it 0 point. Write your roll number 0 point. Select your class and section roll number. This is also 0 point because I don't need it. So now I can like divide the section here. You can see. So I will divide the section here. So that is the personal information section, which does not carry marks. Now here, write cyber safety. I can write the answer, add a correct answer. Suppose the correct answer is A. Okay. Mark other answers as incorrect. Or if a child writes A. If you feel that both the answers are correct, so rest of the answers, if they write, then it is incorrect. Or you can say A. If this is also correct, you can keep it. So you can give choices so that it can do auto correction. And accept that if somebody writes, mark all answers are done. Now you can add points. Here you can add points. Suppose this question carries 4 marks. Done. Now answer key. So you can answer, this is a long answer. This cannot be given marks. This can be given marks, but we cannot give it answer. So here, suppose this is the correct answer. You should share personal information, agree. Answer key, agree. Disagree is the correct answer. Agree is the wrong answer. Done. Now, we should not share online. Personal present. Now, how to give answer to this question? I will go to this. So, these are correct. If correct, how many points? So, I have to decide 1 point or 3 points I can give. If a child writes 3 correct answers, I will give them 3 marks. Here, I have not added the marks. You can see I have to add the marks. Now, here, add file. This is just add file. Answer key. If the child uploads the correct photograph, he will get 5 marks. match the following. Here I can see answer key I have to give India, because the computer doesn't know the correct answer or the answer which you want. Here the question is wrong, so I will correct the question first. New Delhi. Here I have to write New Delhi. Now I will give the answer key. This is the correct answer. Jharkhand is Ranchi. Bihar is again a wrong answer. I have to write Patna. So I'm showing that you can modify it. So Bihar, Patna, Punjab, Chandigarh. So these are the correct answer. Here I have to give the marks. Here answer key is 2 marks. Okay? Now see. Preview. This is the form you will see. Ahuja Bindu @gmail.com. Write your roll number 1, 6B. Write your name, Bindu Ahuja. Why this has happened? Because we have chosen the option shuffle your question. Now the second is, you should share personal information. Disagree. Suppose I have written these answers. Define harassment. A. Then add file. I can add any file. Upload. I have selected the file from. It is uploading. See, the photograph has been uploaded. I should not share all these things. Then I have selected 9. What is cyber safety? Submit. Now, when I have submitted, you view score. I can view my score. For this, I will not get marks because this is my personal information. I have got 1 score. 3 answers are incorrect. 1 answer is correct. The correct answers are this. This is incorrect. Photograph uploaded. So the teacher will give marks here. I will show you how. Can you see? Now, how the teacher will give marks. Teacher will go to response. Here teacher will go to individual. Here teacher can give marks. Suppose define this. Teacher gives marks 10 out of 10. Then the teacher has to save this. Suppose here the teacher gives 4 marks. Then the teacher can give 2 marks. Save. Teacher can save. Question wise, I can also check. Suppose 20 students have the same answer, I can directly check the answer. So it will save my time. In the questions, we can also add the photograph. Now see how to add photograph. So you can add photograph from here. You can add photograph from here. So here I will browse and find the photograph. Mahatma Gandhi. So identify the person. So you can see in the option, same way you can give the photographs. Here you can import question from others. You can import YouTube video and you can put the video here and you can ask question based on those video. So you can import questions also. See, go to import question. Suppose this is a Hindi paper. I can add this, and this question. So 4 question imported. So you can use your old questions, old question bank, or question given in the other papers, you can see that. Now total points 33. So it is up to you. If you want to make question paper of 20 marks, you can use 20. If you want to make 40, you can make 40. Now settings. response, you want to see the responses, go to this, create. And you can see the Excel file of all the students. You can see my responses. You can see my marks also. Now I will show you another paper. See, I have made so many papers. I will show you one paper like computers history paper. So you can see computer science 8th standard paper, questions are there. Can you see? So there are 143 responses. I can stop suppose the timing is off. Now there is no time to see, like give the exam, like 40 minutes exam. If 40 minutes are over, you can switch it on, you can switch it off. When I will do this, students will not be able to give exam now because they have crossed the time limit. Now, if I want to see their responses, I will click on that. I can see the responses of all the children. Can you see, student parents? Teachers, can you see? Each and every response is there. You can see those responses and you can see the CSV file also. Download responses CSV. So you can see this marks after every question. Can you see marks after every question? Now, one more important thing, like you can download response, print all responses. You can have the option to print all responses. You can print a particular paper of a particular child. Suppose here you will click on print, you can take out the print out of that particular child's paper. You can take out print out, or you can download the file of all the responses. Here you can take out the print out, or you can download the question paper also by clicking on print. So I hope, and now how to send the file. So you will go to link, you will shorten the link, you will copy the link on WhatsApp. You can share the link like this. So this way you can share the link of the question paper. So I hope you all are clear with these things and you have learned this. Hope for the best. God bless you all. Thank you. Kindly try to make these forms. It will really help you in your assessment. Thank you.